going to show you a very quick way to multiply two-digit numbers together in your head without the aid of a calculator. Okay, let's give this a try. Let's try multiplying 42 by 21. Okay, the first thing we want to do is multiply the units together, which is very straightforward. 2 times 1 is 2. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply each number's tens column with the opposite number's units column. In this example we will have 4 times 1 and 2 times 2. We then add the results of both of those together. So we have firstly 4 times 1 is 4, and then we have 2 times 2 is also 4. Added together, that makes 8. We can now bob that into our tens column there. The final thing we do is we multiply the two tens columns together and write that in. So that's 4 times 2 is 8. And there's our answer, 882. Now that one's about as straightforward as it can possibly be. Let's move on to a slightly more difficult example. Okay, let's have a go at 33 times 54. The first thing we need to do is multiply the two unit digits together. So 3 times 4 is 12. 2 down, carry 1. The next thing we need to do is multiply each tens digit by the opposite number's unit digit. So in this example we're going to start by multiplying 3 times 4, which is 12. Then it's 5 times 3, which is 15. And then we add our carry 1 there. 1 equals 27, 28. So we can pop the 8 in there and we have a 2 to carry. The final thing we do is we multiply the two tens digits together. So that's 3 times 5 is 15, plus this 2 here is 17, giving us our answer of 1782. Let's try something more difficult now. Well, about as difficult as it'll ever get. 97 times 85. Okay, same as normal. The first thing we do is we multiply the units together. 7 times 5 is 35, so we pop the 5 down with a 3 to carry. The next thing we do is multiply each tens digit by the opposite number's units digit. So we'll start with 9 times 5 is 45. Then it's 8 times 7 is 56. Don't forget to add on our carry 3 there. Is 45, 101, 104. So we can pop the 4 in there and we get to have a carry of 10. The final thing we need to do is multiply the two tens digits together. So that's 9 times 8 is 72, plus the carry 10 is 82. So we can pop that in there for our answer of 8,245.